Bugun o'zbekchada gaplashamiz. O'zi YouTube kanalimni ochganimda birinchi videom o'zbekchada bo'lgan. Undan keyin inglizchaga qanaqadir o'tib, hamma videolarim inglizchada bo'lib qoldi-da. Va buni o'ylab ko'rdim, nimaga bunaqa, buni sababi nima bo'lyapti? Va menimcha bu yoqda o'zbekchada gapirganimda ko'p yaqinlarim meni tushunib qoladi va har xil xatolarimni topadi deb prosta qo'rqayotgan ekanman. Bugun mana shu qo'rquvimizni yengamiz va darsimiz polniy o'zbekchada bo'ladi. Hammaga salom, ismim Sevinch. Bugun Listening with me darsimizni o'tib olamiz. Listening with me o'tgan safar bir dona video taxlaganman va bunda biza listeningdagi IELTS listening testdagi transkriptni olib o'shani eshitganmiz. Endi bu safargisida esa bizda video bor. O'sha videodagi juda ham qiziqarli video, bir kishini avtobiografiyasi hozir ko'rishni boshlaganimizda kimligini bilib olasiz va o'sha kishi haqida biza o'rganamiz. Bu yerda har xil uchragan biz bilmagan so'zlarni ko'rib chiqamiz va umuman olganda maza qilib video ko'ramiz.
A question I get asked surprisingly often is veritasium a real element?
Okay. Bu yerda gapirayotgan odam Veritasium degan YouTube kanalini egasi va uni asoschisi ekan. Ya'ni bu kanalni qarab chiqdim va videolari juda ham eski videolari ham ko'pda. Ya'ni eng birinchi video bu kanalda 14 yil oldin post qilingan ekan. Bu degani 2011-2012 yillarda bo'ladi. Shunchalik eng birinchi YouTube kreatorlardan bittasi degan bo'ladi. Subscriberlari ham ko'p ekan, 20 millionta. Va bu videoda o'zini hayotini share qilyapti, qanaqa qilib ilm-fan sohasiga kirib qolgan va qanaqa qilib bu YouTube kanali ochgan, nima uchun ochgan va nima uchun nomi Veritasium deb nomlagan. Mana shular haqida gapirib bermoqchi ekan. Va actually mana bu kanalda bizda ko'p ilm-fanga oid ma'lumotlar ko'pda, ya'ni qanaqadir ilm-fanga oid savollarga javob bergan very interesting videos. Videolarni bitta ko'rsangiz, umuman ko'zingiz uzolmay qolasiz. Va O'zbekistonda bizda bitta kanal bor, Magnet degan, o'sha kanalga juda ham o'xshar ekan, mavzusi juda ham o'xshaydi. Okay, so let's start.
Nope. I made it up.
Okay, so endi veritasium degan so'z o'zi aslida haqiqiy so'zmi deyapti va no, I made it up. Make up. What does make up mean? What does make up mean? Make up bu bizda makiyaj degani emas. Make up degani to'qib chiqarmoq degani. Invent. Biror bir so'zni yoki biror bir voqeani to'qib chiqarsangiz, bizda make up desak bo'ladi. I made it up. I made this word up. I made the situation up. Okay. So, albatta o'zbekchasini ham yozib qo'yaman. To'qib chiqarmoq. Okay.
When I was a kid, about 10 or 11 years old, I went to this Genghis Khan exhibit at a museum, and I didn't know much about Genghis Khan.
Okay. U 10-11 yoshligida Genghis Khanni muzeyga borgan ekan va who do you think he is? Genghis Khan kim ekan? Qanaqadir eshitilishi juda ham yaqinda, lekin boshqacha yozilganda. Let me show you. This person is Genghis Khan. Chingiz Khan degan ekan, ya'ni o'zbekchada bizda Chingiz Khan, inglizchada Genghis Khan bo'lar ekan. Maybe in your speaking part 2, you may want to talk about historical figure and maybe about Genghis Khan. Actually, you don't want to say it as Chingiz Khan. Chingiz Khan deb aytmasligimiz kerak, biz inglizchada Genghis Khan deb aytishimiz kerak ekan bu yerda. Interesting, right? O'shani muzeyga boribdi.
except he was some famous warrior who lived a long time ago. So I was thinking maybe we'd see his mummified body or his suit of armor or his sword, something like that.
Okay, u muzeyga borganda nimalarni kutgan ekan? Uni mummified body'sini ko'rish kutgan ekan. Ya'ni mummified bizda mumiyolangan degan. Mummified means mumiyolangan. O'zi bu so'z o'zbekchada ham juda ham ko'p ishlatmaymiz, no? Interesting. Mummified body. Keyingi so'zimiz bu suit of armor. Suit of armor. Bu sovut degani ekan. Sovut. Sovutini ko'rmoqchi bo'lgan ekan. Muzeyga borsam sovutini ko'raman deb o'ylagan ekan Chingizxonni yoki uni mumiyolangan tanasini yoki sword qilichini ko'raman deb o'ylagan ekan. But
mummified body or his suit of armor or his sword, something like that. But when I got to the museum, all they had were like these tiny fragments of pottery and some old shoes.
okay, so
And I was incredibly disappointed.
lekin u muzeyga borganda u ko'rgan yagona narsa nima ekan? Fragments of pottery, ya'ni kulolchilik bo'laklari. Prosta qanaqadir bir loydan yasalgan idishlarning bo'laklarini ko'ribdi muzeyga borib. Muzeyda o'zi shunaqa bo'ladi-yu, birinchi marta muzeyga borganda vau nimalar ko'raman deb borasiz, lekin prosta zerikarli bunaqa kulolchilik bo'laklari, oyoq kiyimlar, eski narsalarni ko'rasizda. Pottery means kulolchilik. And I was extremely disappointed. I was incredibly disappointed. Which means juda ham hafsalam pir bo'ldi deyapti. He was extremely disappointed, okay?
And some old shoes, and I was incredibly disappointed. So in this video, I want to tell you my story, but with real pieces of my life. Real photons that bounced off my face, hit a sensor, created a current that created a magnetic field, flipping some domains on magnetic tape, which was later replayed, recreating the current, passed into a computer, digitized into zeros and ones, beamed to your device, which recreates the light that's hitting your eyes right now.
I'm waiting for you to take a picture.
Of what?
Of me.
Now there is a direct path of particles from my 4-year-old face to yours right now, and there is nothing you can do to undo that. I grew up in Vancouver.
Okay, hozirgacha nimalar degani men 2 marta ko'rib keyin tushundimda. Bu yerda qanaqadir scientific terms ishlatgan, ya'ni ilm fanga oid so'zlarni ishlatib turib, prosta nima demoqchi? Hozir bu yerda meni 4 yoshli ko'rinishimni ko'rib turibsiz demoqchi. So, bir og'iz gapni shuncha scientific terminlar bilan o'rab keyin aytyapti-da. No, I think it's not that difficult, but there are a lot of scientific terms. We don't want to learn them. Let's continue.
For Canada. So I'm mostly Canadian. Mostly because my family was South African.
Okay, u Kanadada o'sgan ekan, ya'ni yoshligida o'sha Kanadada yashagan ekan va uni oilasi South African, ya'ni afrikalik ekan, janubiy. Is it janubiy or shimoliy? Doesn't matter actually, afrikalik. Okay.
After my parents got married, they moved to Vancouver where my 2 older sisters were born. But I was born in Australia, and that's because my dad was working there as an engineer at a pulp and paper mill at the time. This is the first house.
Okay. Uni ota-onasi turmush qurishgandan keyin Vancouverga ko'chishgan ekan, Vancouverda yashashgan va bu Derek, ismi Derek, buni o'sha Derekni ikkita katta opasi bor ekan. Opalari Vancouverda tug'ilgan ekan, lekin bu anada tug'ilgan Avstraliyada. Nimaga? Chunki uni otasi o'sha yerda injener sifatida ishlayotgan ekan.
where I ever lived. I lived there for the first 18 months of my life.
Soon after, my family returned to Canada, and I guess I was a competitive kid.
Okay, va undan keyin 18 oy yashagan ekan o'sha Avstraliyada. Uyini ko'rsatdi hozirgina. O'sha uyda 18 oy yashagan ekan. Undan keyin Kanadaga ko'chib o'tishgan ekan bular. Va yoshligimda I was quite competitive kid deyapti, ya'ni juda ham nima desa bo'ladi, juda ham tirishqoq, harakatchan odam bola bo'lganman, chunki
Because I graduated top of my class and had a full scholarship to go and study engineering at Queen's University.
okay, chunki u maktabni bitirgan va Queen's University degan bir universitetda to'liq grant yutib ekan, o'sha universitetda o'qish uchun injenerlikda. Okay, I think we should end there. I really want to watch it fully with you guys. Buni to'liq ko'rishni juda ham xohlardim siz bilan, lekin bizda YouTube'da cheklov bor, hali ham 15 minutdan ortiq bizda video qo'ya olmayman. But okay, I'm so sorry. Lekin mana bu videoni linkini qoldiraman. Albatta buni ko'ring. Juda ham zo'r video bo'lgan, juda ham qiziqarli video. Prosta video yasash usuli juda ham qiziqarli. But anyways, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.